Hi, I'm Deborah, Content Manager at Autoshop Solutions. We are an automotive digital marketing agency specializing in websites and internet marketing solutions. Today, we're here answering the question, how can marketing help you find more technicians? First of all, make sure your shop stands out. Your website is one of the first impressions given about your business, and just like your customers, potential technicians are looking for you online. The content and photos on your site can help convey what your shop has to offer. It confirms that your shop knows how to operate and has a plan for success. Next, take advantage of your marketing strategies. Your marketing plan, that's not an accident. It paints a picture and tells a story about who you are. Highlight success stories, share team building photos, showcase your shop in videos, and share those reviews. All of these determine how people view your business. The last thing to remember, use your tools well. And we aren't talking about that state-of-the-art equipment in your shop. Your marketing tools can help your business thrive more than you may realize. Your website, it sets you up for sales and it gives an overview of your business and how you operate. Advertise your jobs. Social media helps engage your visitors, spotlights testimonials, and offers a platform to share your shop news and impacts your viewers. Customer reviews. Through your customers, build trust in your business and emphasize your performance. Your employees, they play a vital part in securing a good reputation in your shop's overall character. Let them help you advertise. Offer an internship or an apprenticeship program. Your new hires want to know you are invested in them and have a plan and a roadmap for success. Or use outside resources, such as our partner Wrenchway. Wrenchway provides solutions that help highlight top shops to work at, make the job search process easier for technicians, and get students interested in the industry. Its mission is to help solve the technician shortage in the automotive collision and diesel industries. You can learn more about them at wrenchway.com. Your tools help sell your customer, and they enable you to acquire the level of technicians you desire to be working in your shop. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website or subscribe to our YouTube channel.